obvious solution is science with me. Science with me. Science with me. Come, let's do some science with me. Together, let's hypothesize, experiment, and analyze. We will have sex on. Science with me. Science with me.
Classifying substances: elements, molecules, compounds, and mixtures. All substances are made up of atoms. A substance that is made up of only one type of atom is called an element. Copper is an example of an element. So is hydrogen, helium, carbon, oxygen, iron, silver, and gold. The periodic table is a list of the elements. There are only about 100 different elements, and about half of these are metals. The rest are non-metals. An element cannot be broken down into a simpler substance by ordinary chemical means. Many elements in the periodic table are not stable on their own, so they group together with other atoms to form molecules. Molecules can contain anywhere from 2 to thousands of atoms that are chemically combined. Some molecules are made up of the same element, like oxygen, O2. Others are made of different elements, like water, H2O. A molecule that contains carbon atoms is called an organic compound, like carbon dioxide, CO2. Compounds are made up of 2 or more different elements that are chemically combined. The elements react together to form a new substance that is chemically different from any of the single elements. The properties of a compound differ from the elements from which it is made. Look, the new compound formed, iron sulfide, is not magnetic. A molecule is the smallest part of an element or compound that can exist on its own. All compounds are molecules, but not all molecules are compounds. Mixtures are made up of 2 or more substances mixed together, but not chemically combined. Mixtures can be separated easily. Air is a mixture of gases. Alloys are mixtures of metals. Now you know that an element is made up of only one type of atom. A molecule is the smallest part of an element or compound that can exist on its own. A compound is made up of 2 or more elements that are chemically combined. The properties of a compound differ from the elements from which it is made. A mixture is made up of 2 or more substances mixed together, but not chemically combined.
Science with me! Science with me!